The following message is transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command. The nuclear missiles have veered off course and are no longer an immediate threat to any location in the United States. They are expected to land in the Atlantic Ocean. A tsunami may be generated after impact. The exact effects are not known at this time. You are requested to stay in your shelters for at least 2 hours as more nuclear missiles may be launched. Do not leave your shelters unless you are under a tsunami warning. Specific evacuation instructions will be issued for your area if you are under a tsunami warning. Stay tuned to any available media outlets for information on this life-threatening situation.